What happened? I'm back.
And we got some more good for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You want to do the small one first?
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah,
We also got this one.
the kaiju number 8.
Yeah, we also not familiar phase, so we got.
You know what I'm saying? We got all these characters. If y'all fan of kaiju number 8, you know what I'm saying?
This is probably better than the other ones because this one, every one is a 1 out of 12, and
hopefully we can get the big kaiju number 8. You know what I'm saying?
one of these days I'm gonna bring my pocket. I think I got my pocket on.
I told you it's 2026. We're back at it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get y'all the convention videos soon. Once the conventions start rolling around, we're back in full effect. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's cold.
It's really cold.
Yeah, so doing this out for y'all in the car. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. If I get Sozano, I wouldn't be mad. Or if I get
I was in a little bit baggy.
Yeah, they put them in the boxes to make it. Oh, I already know that I ain't get nobody I wanted.
I don't think I got anybody.
I don't think I got anybody I wanted.
Well, I might have got him. I mean,
It feels like it could be so.
I don't know. I've been a minute since
I want to see you get yours over.
It's been a minute since I watched Kaiju number 8, so I can't remember all the character names.
It's crazy.
But I'm gonna tell you which one I want. Okay, because him, one of these two, I'm a big a fan of her too.
Mina, Asido.
I feel like he got a good one because he gave that little.
Yeah, I peeped. So, you know, once she gets hers over, I'll pull over on 3. You got it?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. I got Sozano. Yeah. So yeah, we got who we wanted, I guess. Look, she's trying to steal my stuff all over again. He's cool. I rocks with him. Put y'all aside. So you know what I'm saying? All to a decent start. You want to do our simple ones, or we want to do the run back?
We can do the run back.
All right, we running it back. Jake, we're back. Adventure time. We pulled the heroes. I pulled the low number. It was like number 38 out of 7,500. So hopefully one of us can get the chase this time.
Hopefully. There's not going to be in the stores.
Yeah. So
this one is really
make it or break it. Come on, Jake.
You know, I don't always have the best load of everything.
You got some chases left. Spoilers if you haven't seen it. Go check out that video. 3, 2, 1. That was a clean pull. All right, on 3. 3, 2, 1. Heroes. Let's check that number real quick while we're at it. Because I don't think I'm beating 38 out of 7,500, but just in case. Yeah, but at 24. 07. Should be in the back of the case. I don't know. Like the focus. But I got 38. I got 38 out of 7,500, so I'm not mad.
Yeah, I never got it.
Well, all right, Jake. That's it. We tried. I used all my hot cash on you, Jake.
Yeah, I'm not doing this one again. I didn't get it this time. I was against kind of doing it this time. So.
You know, Joe DiMaggio, I think he voices Jake, and he comes to Michigan somewhat often, like Motor City Comic Con. So if I could get that 38 out of 7,500 sign, I might do that. All right, that's our last ones.
But we post a lot of videos also because DJ did one of these in one of our videos. I don't think it was this one specifically. This is the new one. But he got the chase version in the last one.
She got
and the irony was that was the one that I wanted, but I kind of chickened out.
Show him the chase on this one because I actually like this chase a little bit better than the one I got. Yeah, Professor Membrane. She did Starfire and got the chase. So hopefully I can do Beast Boy and get Cyborg. You know what I'm saying? This will probably get posted in February. So if I get Cyborg, happy Black History Month. Happy Black History Month. Shout out.
Depending on how we feel, we may do some things on doing that. Some Black History.
Yeah, we'll do something special for Black History Month.
We also start in February.
So it'll be fascinating.
At some point, so that's also going to be a possibility. Might not be possible.
Just know we got more content from y'all. That's all y'all need to know. We're not going to give y'all no heads up or anything until we start posting. All right, you ready? Girl. 3, 2, 1. All right, come on, Cyborg. All right.
This is also the last one.
Yeah, this is the last one. I got this at box lunch, actually.
I'm scared. I won't feel it.
Come on. 3, 2, 1. I'm not going to look. No luck this time, but you know what I'm saying, we did get a little bit of luck with our kaiju number 81. So until next time, Pop 313. I was actually got 2 chases last week. Signing out. Peace.